Hi, this video is going to be on the context of The Merchant of Venice. Now, the play was written in 1606 and the monarch at this time was Queen Elizabeth I. And during this time in Elizabethan era England, there was a great anti-Semitic sentiment and there was great distrust towards Jewish people, and this was in part because Queen Elizabeth I, of course, was Christian. And we see Shakespeare explore this idea through the play, and we also see him explore Elizabethan era gender roles, particularly through Portia. So of course we see this when she is unable to perform in a court of law as a woman, so she has to cross-dress in order to save Antonio. And even though she's clearly capable, her intelligence and wit are proven to be more than enough to save him, she's unable to do this as a woman. And we also see her be subject to Elizabethan era gender roles when her father has the casket competition. Of course, she's unable to choose a husband herself because this would have been the job of her father to do so in the era, particularly because she would have been seen as his property until she was married. And because we have Shakespeare setting this play not in England but in Venice, he is free to critique or comment on these Elizabethan era social constructs and prejudices without being accused of treason. Thanks for listening.